Ever tackled a technical issue thinking it would save you some money, only for it to end up costing you even more? You're not alone. Many small businesses believe that do-it-yourself tech solutions are cheaper. However, as Brian Leja, co-founder of Infotech Solutions, explains, effective IT support isn't about cutting corners. It's about investing wisely in solutions that drive growth. Consider this. If you're interested in hiring an in-house tech expert, salaries can range from $50,000 for beginners to a whopping $150,000 for seasoned pros. Contrast that with outsourced IT support, where the costs range from $50 to $125 per user monthly. For many small businesses, that's an annual tab of $20,000 to $50,000. So, even hiring a single junior technician can cost more than structured outsourced services. Now, IT support pricing is flexible. You can pick from managed IT packages, flat rate pricing, or block of hours options. Most small businesses find managed IT packages the best bet. Why? Costs align with your team size and spread throughout the year. No more unexpected tech repair bills. Plus, it shifts IT from a capital to an operating expense. This predictable model lets you confidently plan for technology upgrades. Want to dive deeper into these insights? Check out the full article on our website. And don't forget, you can add this episode to your Spotify playlist for easy access anytime.